Welcome back. In this video we are going to be making the angle step bracket from our multi-view level 1 drawing packet. And with my first sketch I'm going to start drawing some of the parts, but also remember the way I do this doesn't have to be the same way as you. You could choose different ways to make it and still come out with the same product. So what I want to do is I just want to go back and do the exact same thing we did on our stairs. So I'm going to put the stair step in, and then I'm going to go back and cut out this little front part over here. So I went and I set up our first height, 1.75. Then I'm going to go over the 3.25, that's the full length. Then remember, if I click on the right, our whole object area shows up, and I can start working on my heights and my distances over. So 0.75 is the height of this first little area. I'm going to go over 1.75. Alright, let's see, we're going to come up again, but there's no dimension on this. If I wanted to, I could just type it all in to do the subtraction, but this one was pretty easy in my head. 1.75 minus 0.75 is 1 inch. Then minus the other ½ inch up top gives me a ½ inch left. So I'm going to go 0.5, enter. Then I'm going to come over, let's see, our missing distance on there. So again, I could go 3.25 minus 1.75 minus 0.75, and that gives us our dimension. I can just wait for this little dotted line to show up top, and I get the exact same height I had before. Go over, and I have everything set up. Now if I ever want to check on any of these, I can go and I can add a dimension on there, but you're going to see a little window show up because these are not what they call a driven, these are a driven dimension. So they're derived from what's left over. They don't actually change the shape, because I could go ahead and I could change this and change it to a different number, and it would change that one as well. Control Z, and I'm back to my normal shape. Alright, so now I'm going to extrude it the full width, which is 2.25, and then I'm going to cut out the corner. So I'm just going to first rotate it. Alright, we're set up the same. I want to cut out this corner down here. So I'm going to go on that surface, make a sketch. I'm going to use project geometry, so I have this corner. Then I'm just going to create a rectangle, because I'm just getting a rectangle out of there. And it looks like it's 1 by 1. Tab, enter, extrude, and I can have it be a cut. And I don't have to tell be 1 inch. There's nothing below this, so there's nothing else that can cut into. I could make it, 100 inches long if I really wanted to, but it goes through my object, so it cuts all the way through. Then I can just click OK, and I finish that shape. Thanks for watching.